friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about birds' feet. Different birds have different type of feet. The feet of the bird are suited for the place they live and they use. Swim or wade in the water. For swimming, the feet will be like this. Duck and crane have like this feet. Birds of prey. To catch prey, to catch the prey, what it hunts. Eagle and vulture have this feet. To walk on land, walker. To walk on the land, hen and peacock have like this feet. Climber, to climb trees. It have three in front side, two in back side. Owl and woodpecker have this. Percher, sit on tree branches. To hold the tree branches. Crow and pigeon have this.